Okay, church, this morning I want to praise God in a poem. It's entitled Stand in Faith. It's the first time I'm going to recite a poem in English. Hope it will be a blessing to you. Stand in faith. Stand in faith. Stand in faith, even when you don't feel like you can face another day. Stand in faith, even when the tears want to flow from your eyes. Stand in faith, knowing that our God will always provide. Stand in faith, even when you feel like all hope is gone. Stand in faith, knowing that He is there for you to lean on. Stand in faith, even when you feel like giving up. Stand in faith, because He is there saying, just look up. Just look up. Stand in faith, even in those times when you feel so all alone. Stand in faith. Hold on and be strong, for He is still on His throne. Stand in faith, even when it's hard to believe.